Welcome back to Speed Car Mania. What if the auditory essence of a jet engine could be metamorphosed into an exquisite sculpture? The 2025 Ford GT concept seems to be a vehicle engineered to excel on the road while also enchanting the imagination. The design emphasizes orchestrated chaos, including fluid lines that channel wind and huge air intakes ready to capture the horizon. The prominent flying buttresses and illuminated Ford emblem represent a bold, unapologetic assertion of performance. The cabin interior functions as a minimalist command center that seamlessly combines luxury with cutting-edge technology. Carbon fiber bucket seats provide exact support, while a digital cockpit surrounds the driver with an uninterrupted stream of information. An 8K curved touchscreen offers controls with the accuracy of a fighter jet's HUD, while AI-driven driving modes tailor each journey to perfection. Housed within its carbon fiber shell is a powerful 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 engine enhanced by hybrid technology, producing 850 horsepower. The GT concept achieves a 0 to 100 km/h acceleration in less than 2.5 seconds. While competitors like the McLaren 765 LT and Lamborghini Revuelto may challenge its speed, the Ford GT concept embodies a distinctly American boldness. Valued at $600,000, this is not merely a car, it is a testimony to modern engineering. Maintenance and insurance expenses are as high as their top speed, while depreciation seems to be an unfamiliar concept for this collector's dream. The GT concept demonstrates an exhilarating reactivity to every instruction with remarkable immediacy when driven. What is its deficiency? A journey so immaculate it requires a driver of equal boldness.